Hello there. Hey guys, are we on air again on the Hari Raya rally? Yo, yo, yo. Yeah, we are blasting ahead for our Hari Raya rally. There I am, guys. Blasting all the way ahead on our Hari Raya rally. Hari Raya is April 21st. Oh, what a good day. Oh, what a good day. Oh, what a good day. And looks like it's going to be another Hari Raya. When was it ever a bad Raya? None, actually. But we all must remember what happens after that, because this seems to be like a usual cycle again, right? A usual, what do you say? It's just one of those things that happen. So here we are back again. I can still remember 2019. It was a very happy Raya. Then it became a happier post Raya because of the alts rally, right? Because of the alts rally. I expect the same thing to happen today. Bitcoin is pumping. We did hit 29K. Where are we going next? Well, that is the answer that we will have today. And congratulations to the group that even when there were a lot of big challenges, right? There's a lot of big challenges. Really glad that the group, collectively has made a lot of money. I have just calculated from the IPO, the total distributions, it's going to be about 9.6K. The group in total made around like 400,000 ringgit. It's a lot. It's a lot of money, guys. That is really a lot of money in this kind of environment. But what are the challenges we have? We also have to be careful of the challenges that we face the next time, because it is going to be still a challenging year. Although I believe some markets are indeed kind of turning the corner, right? They have turned the corner and they have kind of become bullish again, which is good, guys, which is really good. And we kind of like that, but we really have to be careful. So we're going to look at the Bitcoin prices, just seeing where it can possibly land at. I believe always in preparation, especially preparation to take profit and preparation to rearrange. So I think that this is like the start. This Hari Raya to me is really the start of year two. The start of year two of the cycle. Of course, year three, year one was the correction one, which we had. Year two is really like, hey, it's time to build for the moon, guys. Seriously, it's time to build to go to the moon. And finally, in year three, what happens in year three? What do you expect will happen? Year three is going to the moon. Year three is going to the moon. So again, how are you guys? How is our signal? Is our signal doing well? Is our signal doing well? Let me go and are we okay? Can you answer on the YouTube here? Because I seem to be seeing myself pretty well here, but I need input from you guys. Are you guys seeing me? Well, it looks okay from this side. Hey. Yeah, so I am still speaking there. Let me adjust my streaming thing and then we can get started proper, right? So again, in preparation for Hari Raya, very important. What do we do? What do we do? The Bitcoin cycle is just 1 year away, guys. 1 year away. So I think you really got to take this very seriously, okay? Because this is kind of like the last cycle. Okay, so again, what do we do? Let's go into the charts. But what charts am I talking about? I'm not even talking about charts, right? I'm not even talking about charts. I'm not even talking about charts. I'm talking about other things now. I'm talking about the thing. I'm talking about the thing. Okay, cool. Let's go and see this now. I'm gonna go and change the screen now. Let's go and change the screen. And where is the screen now? Okay, I gotta go. Okay, let me pull out my Brave browser out here. I'm just gonna pull out this Brave browser out. So we can see where we are. It's important that if you really want to succeed, you kind of kind of have to know where you are. And I know that I have to do this Brave browser out here. And yeah, this is what we're going to do now. Let's start changing it now. And I am going to go and share the screen now. Let me see now. Okay, there it is. Where is the chart? Oh, there it is. Okay, Brave browser, cryptocurrency. Okay, that's where we are now. Bitcoin is around, what is that? 28,346. But I don't kind of look at that. I like to look at this. I like to look at here, this one, dominance. So now Bitcoin has, I like to see dominance high, because once dominance goes high, that will kind of signal a peak to Bitcoin, and then it kind of goes steady. And when it's steady, that's when the other coins will go up, right? That's when we have an alts rally, right? So we kind of are at that place already. I think this has to be like 48% for us to have a really, really decent alts rally. So we need Bitcoin to push probably a couple of more points up, because money now is obviously settled within Bitcoin, right? Money we have in Bitcoin now, of course, Bitcoin and Ethereum will lead. And then after that, it goes to the big alts. And then it goes to the shant coins, smaller alts. And then it goes to the shit coins, SC. Okay, that's just how it goes. And once it goes to the shit coin, guess what, guys? That is the end of the end of the end. And then we begin the cycle in earnest again. So let's go see where we are in the most interesting thing. We kind of said last time that this would peak around 70. I got it wrong. It peaked around 60. We are now around 60. So I'm quite sure that this index is going to bring us to around 70, okay? I'm quite sure that this will bring us to around 70. It certainly looks like that. And let's see here, right? Let's see here. I'm just going to go here. So again, 63, 63, 63, yesterday 63. Okay, let's look at what this is over time. Okay, so again, oh, what was this? 2022, 2023. Look at what we had last time. 50, 60, 60. Is this the fear and greed index over time? 2023. Yeah, we were stuck here, right? 62. Yeah. So now we went to, went 66. Okay. So now I think we are going to 70. Yeah, I think we're going to 70. Let's see the max here. I want to see the max here. So we're at an all-time high, see, we got stopped here last time. Now I think, we are close to 70. I think max will go to 80. I think this is kind of like the danger zone here. You guys know Top Gun, right? So this is like the danger zone. This is like the danger zone, okay? Cool. Cool. This is like the danger zone there. So you really got to be careful, because things might go down. Maybe I'll be worried when it, I'll get kind of worried when it goes to 70, because I know that, hey, it could go to 80 and then it could just turn over, okay? So I guess you guys want to know, right? Where is Bitcoin going to? What is the level it is going to? Where can we expect it's going to? But we also have to look about TradFi. And I think about TradFi now, it's getting very, very bullish on TradFi. So, hey, let's look at that first. Let's look at TradFi first, okay? And what's going on in the world now? De-dollarization, right? De-dollarization in the world. Let's see this. I'm just going to go here. Just going to go here. Okay, this is the S&P 500 here. Look at here, the S&P 500. So look at that. It was going on a nice path here, and then we broke the line. We'll draw this. Okay, it was just going on a nice path here. Yeah, there it was. And then we broke, right? We broke We came in, this was another wedge here, and then we're out here already. In fact, now what we are doing is we are already here, okay? So we are already here. So again, for it to go up, people say that the maximum is around 3 here. So maybe if it goes straight up here, it's going to go down, or maybe it just goes to re-challenge and then it goes straight up here, somewhere here, okay? But I don't think it's going to be hard to really break this level here of 4243. I think that this will give a pause because May is coming. I like that this is sell in May and go away kind of stuff, okay? So the good thing is that the S&P 500 is really, really up there. Yeah, that's 4.2, right? So we are here already. It would be nice that it, yeah, see the resistance here, see the resistance here, see the resistance here. Of course, I'm only saying that because I took profit on my S&P position for doing Raya purposes, okay? So maybe we go up, we flip, and then we go up here, and then here, and then we go back down, okay? So that is coming in the coming weeks. That I think will complete our Hari Raya rally, which I was predicting since last year. Now, you guys want to know where is Bitcoin going and what is the dates that these might happen? Where is Bitcoin going? So obviously, we are obviously stuck around 28 here. So we have two levels here. We've been here. We tried to go to 29 here. We didn't make it. So even if we break that, I think this is like 33 to 35, okay? So probably 33 to 35 is the new target. I will not be surprised if we hit 30 and we kind of like have a rejection at 30. I won't be surprised if we kind of go here and then we have rejected here. We will kind of reject. I expect a pattern like last year. If it's going to be a rejection, I expect it to play around here until June, right? Not that. Yeah, until June here. And if nothing happens to the world, I think we will have a nice, solid alt rally. Okay. Nice, solid alt rally. But I do expect some that you know, the market is just waiting for something bad to happen. Everyone's happy now, guys. Everyone's happy now. Even one of the greatest investors, okay?
But other automations.
What is that? What is that other automations? Okay. So this is what we're going to see now. One of the greatest investors of all time even has admitted that he got it wrong. He got it wrong. Cassandra, Michael Burry, how it started, sell 31st of January. And then now he said, hey, I was wrong to say sell because this is obviously, but I just want to tell you that he said that this is the second last year of the buy the fucking dip, buy the dip, okay? There's one more dip. So obviously, where's Sharil? Please ask Michael Burry to follow Larry Williams. Larry Williams has been dead on accurate, okay, on commodities and also on Bitcoin. Dead on accurate and also actually also on the S&P, right? Because it was Larry Williams that you say in 2023, we are going to have a kick up, and it has been a kick up that was shown, and that was really that was shown to be buy the dip. This is buy the dip mentality, right? I mean, some people were scared last time. We said that Bitcoin will peak at a certain date. I think it was early March. It went down. Some people were panicking. But what does this mean? This is BTFD. Buy the dip. Buy the dip. You know, dip, you find. But again, I think we are going at the end of that cycle. And then we have a correction starting May, June. And then we go down, and then there will be another BTFD cycle again, very strong at the beginning, end of third quarter, beginning of the fourth quarter. So again, Michael Burry got it wrong. This is very important. Again, this is a very different year. Times are different now, but although I think it is an overall up year, I just cannot believe that. I don't know why. I just has this feeling that, you know, having been in several, having been through 2008, having been through several scary crashes before, I just cannot but think there is something that is being hidden. There is something that we do not know that is about to happen. And it has to do with this guy. Okay, let me show you this guy. This is so funny, you know. This is so funny. Look at this. Goldman Sachs scraps plan to buy private jet equipped with a shower. Yep, the 1% are also feeling the pain during this tough economic time. I don't know about you guys, but my net worth has been increasing during this time of economic troubles, right? Okay, I just saw something here. It's quite funny. Yeah. Big banks, small banks. Where's the money going to? Where is the money going to? But this is the concern here. I just want to show you something that I thought was quite funny, and it has to do with the one bank. The one bank. Okay, I'm going to show you the chart afterwards here, which is, yeah, look at that. Look at that. FTX, First Republic, Signature, Silvergate, SVB, Credit Suisse, Deutsche Bank. And now everybody is dead about except Deutsche Bank. Hey, Deutsche, can you like go and crash? Can you like go and crash so that we can short the DAX? I'm looking at the DAX. I'm really waiting to short the DAX at the high and short it like, I don't know, 2,000 points. I like to have a move down by 2,000 points in the summer. It's like three to five. Maybe I get 3 to 5 DAX. Is like what? Three DAX would be 2,000 points would be like 6,000. 5 DAX would be $10,000. I'm happy, guys. I am happy. Okay. So hey, I just cannot help by saying I'm sure the German government will help them. Okay. I just cannot see the German government not helping them. But really what's happening in the world, and this is good for Bitcoin, is that, hey, okay, who knows? What happens when dollar goes down, guys? What happens when dollar goes down? What happens when dollar goes down? Is it good or bad for Bitcoin? What happens when dollar goes down? Tell me. Yeah, tell me there, guys. Tell me there, guys. What happens when dollar goes down? Type it down. What happens when dollar goes down? Extremely important here, guys. Next week we are gonna have a lot of people here because we're gonna start with our Hari Raya celebrations next week. When I am in Alustar, don't miss the show on Sunday. Oh, you will regret it if you miss it on Sunday. But again, guys, what happens when the dollar goes down? So we said that we are already bullish now. We're very, very bullish now. What happens when the dollar goes down, guys? Anybody know what happens when the dollar goes down? Who knows? Who knows when the dollar goes down? What happens when the dollar goes down? Bitcoin goes up, right? Crypto and Bitcoin goes up. Yeah. Crypto and Bitcoin goes up. Now, I want you to see something that's happening to the dollar. It's called the de-dollarization, okay? I want you to really be, well, you can be very happy because you're going to make a lot of money, or you can be very scared, which is like, okay, I'm going to make a lot of money, but the world is a weird thing and anything could happen. Now, look, this is the price of credit default swaps. We heard about CDS in 2008, right? When I was like in the middle of it. And actually 2008 to 2010 was the, I was in Forex for 2 years, not doing well, okay? Not doing very well in Forex. And then the crash came and I did very, very well because that thing just went like a rocket like this, okay? But look at this. This is the cost of credit default swap rate. Okay, it's the default swap coverage for the US government sovereign 1-year bond, which means that this is the cost for them to ensure that a default doesn't happen on the US dollar, on the US bond. So you know what they're doing? The Americans are taking the bet. I'm going to just retweet this, okay? Are taking the bet that their government may default. And that has the potential to bring crypto up higher. Maybe Balaji was right. You know, this Balaji bet on 1 million. He knows something. I don't think Bitcoin will go to 1 million, but this tells you something of the bullishness of crypto. We have a strong bullishness. We don't have an altcoin rally yet, but I'm sure it's going to be quite strong. Okay, this altcoin rally because of this, because people are like, okay, this is very, very scary. Okay, now Let's look at the price of Ethereum now. I just want to look at the price of Ethereum. So we know Bitcoin. Okay, I don't want to bother you, Bitcoin. Get out of here. I just want to bother Ethereum now. Let's see this. I'm just going to see this again. Gold, yeah, gold is another thing that will go up, right? Gold like 2001, but yeah, but 2001, but there is gold looks stretched. But let's see. Okay, that CDS is good for cryptos. so US dollar goes down, S&P goes up, right? Yeah, US dollar goes down, S&P goes up. It's good for risk assets. But if it breaks the financial system, it can never be good. So just be careful. It might be good and then bad again. So here we are back up again, but we're not back up where we were before. You can see all these order blocks here. So where's the next order blocks? Near 2000. Awesome. The next order block is near 2000. Look at that 2000 there. So I can see it going to 1921. That's what I see. I think it will go higher than 2000. Let's see where we are now. Yeah. That's a bearish order block. This is another order block here, 1959. And then look, it's kind of like, okay, where do we go here? It's clear at 2171, and then it's all clear. My God, look at that. There's nothing there. There is nothing there until like 3. There's nothing there until 3. Look, there's nothing there until 3. This is the bearish order block, right? Where's this bearish order block? Where is this bear? Where are you, bear? Where are you, the bear? 1932, 1959, around there. So let's just say 2000. If it clears 2000, whoa, it can go up very, very high. Okay, so we see this long period of consolidation. Again, if you are in crypto, you know, the longer it consolidates, the better it can really get to a bull run. So it looks like that we are on the cusp of a very nice alts rally. But again, beware. So when is Bitcoin going to peak? When is Bitcoin going to peak? You have to look at the dates, guys. What is the key date for Ethereum? What is the key date for Ethereum? What is the key date for Ethereum? Now, what's going on in Ethereum? Shanghai, right? When is Shanghai happening? When is Shanghai happening? Be careful with this date. Shanghai is when the stakers in Ethereum get to move out their tokens. So everyone is asking, hey, are they going to sell? We're going to answer that question later. But what it is, when is Shanghai happening? It happens on another date, you know, on another key date. Who knows when Shanghai is happening? Type it down, type it down. We need to know when Shanghai is happening, guys. When is Shanghai happening? When Shanghai? When can move? When can move out? When can move out? Of course, LSDs are hot, right? The liquid staking derivatives are extremely, extremely hot nowadays. You know, things like Rocket Pool and all that. Staffy. I know I had Staffy once, FIS, and wow. Okay, 12 April, good one. That's 12 April. What else is happening on 12 April, guys? What else is happening on 12 April? This is my worry. Look at that. Hey, Hong Kong Festival Web3. Ta-da! I hate these dates, you know. So if I were to say that when is there a shock to the system, it should be around here, heading towards Hari Raya. This is when people will be happy. Hey, we're happy. We're partying like 1999. Shanghai is happening. Shanghai is happening. I think there will be a sell on Ethereum. But again, people say maybe not. Maybe it will come back. I kind of agree with that because Ethereum needs to lead to the alts rally. So if you're talking about a shock to the system, a peak to Bitcoin, well, I think anytime between April 12th, April 21st, it could dip below there. And then before we have our alts rally, will people sell Ethereum? Let's look. This is the Ethereum statistics. These are the Ethereum statistics, okay? The guys who staked in early and the guys who are at a loss. And look at that. More than 50% are at a loss. So would you sell if you were at a loss? Would you sell if you were at a loss? Or are people going to buy more Ethereum to stake? That is the question. One school says, hey, they're going to get out and panic and get out. Another school says, hey, there's only 1 year to the stock market, to the Bitcoin halving, right? And it looks like Bitcoin now has turned a corner. I have to look at the charts for the bullishness sign. We'll see it next week. Doesn't mean it goes all the way. It means that we are just flipped into the early stages of the bull cycle, which will be continued and accelerated after the Bitcoin halving, okay? So another school says, no, they're going to put more in. Because let's face it, guys, let's face it. This is the argument, and it does make sense. 18% say 18% of Ethereum is staked. Okay? Compare it to 71% of Solana. But even that coin, that shit coin has 75%, 71% stake. No wonder it went down. There was nobody there. 65% Cosmos, Atom. You're talking about 55% AVAX. And also 70% Cardano, ADA. So there is room actually for Ethereum to be staked. So I think that we will go through a dip and then it will come back and that will lead to the alts rally. In the meantime, Bitcoin, I think after that, I hope it goes to 33 in the next 2 weeks, probably 33. Then it will go like that, go like that, go like that, go sideways, up, and that will be good for the overall alts rally. That is just what I'm doing. Having said that, I think it is going to be a very, very good Hari Raya. Just prepare after this date. Okay, there are too many people happy. It's really not very good. But if barring any Deutsche Bank kind of shock onto the system, we should have a good alts rally. The cycle shows it into mid-June. Okay, guys, any questions? Any questions? Who has the questions now? Who has the question? And you talk about de-dollarization, which is even fueling the fire, is this. This is what I love, you know. China and Russia have hit back at the US, guys, and they got a lot of allies now. BRICS. I thought BRICS was all this India, India, right? It's not only that. It's also this. No, this is not, this is black money for doctors, right? It's also this, guys. It's also Saudi Arabia is part of the BRICS. And actually, they are a growing economy. They're even better than G7. Look at that. Look at that. Saudi Arabia, yeah. Saudi, look. Saudi is buying oil in yuan, right? Saudi, China, oil, yuan. They're going to build that, right? China is building. Yeah, see, look at that. LNG trade in yuan. Yuan settle, what is this? I don't know what country this was. Petrodollar at risk. Yeah, because with the petrodollar in US dollar, of course, then everyone had to use the US dollar. But now with yuan coming up, wow, you have de-dollarization, but this is not, we're not there yet, but it is on the way. Which country was this for? Which country was this for? Hey, don't do that to me. Settles LNG trade in, yeah, United Arab Emirates. See, United Arab Emirates is there. And they're also building a refinery, right? Refinery, Saudi, China refinery. I'm sure this is all settled in yuan, you know? Look at that. Refinery, petrochemical venture, Belt and Road refinery venture. Look at that. And this is why, look at the credit default swaps here. That the US might actually default. That the US one day in the future, this is not crazy, might default, and this would kind of send Bitcoin to the moon, you know. Let's look at Saudi. Yeah, Belt and Road refinery venture here. 12.2 billion between China and Saudi Arabia. This is good because China has also, through some series of MOUs that have been signed with Malaysia, even I'm shocked, right? Man, 170 billion China is going to basically pour into Malaysia. I know some people are saying that, hey, just an MOU. Those are haters, guys. Don't listen to these people, okay? Seriously, don't listen to all this rubbish that is out there, okay? Just take it at Malaysia, China investment, okay? Malaysia, China investment, 170 billion. That should even push up the local market to the moon, including the IPOs, okay? So that's it for now. Any other questions, guys? Any other questions? That's what's happening in the world next this time. And for, okay, and also, oh, guys, this weekend, for the first time ever, I am having the first course in crypto 123 basic crypto course in Bahasa. Okay, in Bahasa, you can sign up here on the Zoom link here. Sign up here on the Zoom link. This will be only for online, because I'm going to Alustar after that. Because you know what? I have to go to Alustar after that to distribute the Raya. In fact, next week is going to be Hari Raya distribution. Why am I not playing a Hari Raya song? Because, you know, YouTube will cut the video off. Okay, that's no good. If not, I would already play our official Hari Raya song, right? I hope you guys love our official Hari Raya song. We are now increasing, or we are now like saying that, hey, we are now welcoming Thai as our official third language. Okay, we have 3 languages: English, Bahasa, and now Thai. English, Bahasa, and Thai. Yeah, we cancel the Indonesian thing. We kind of cancel the Indonesian thing, guys. So again, sign up there. It's in the comments there. It's at 9:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. next week. It goes from what? It goes the first course that I've done in over 4 years in Bahasa to cover cryptocurrency, because I think a lot of people in the Bahasa group really are now interested in crypto. Again, there were a lot of crypto haters, and then we show them, because they want to do a lot of airdrops. But if you do not know even wallets, you do not know even crypto, please don't go in, guys. I do not want you guys to go in, or the new group to go in, or new people to go in just because FOMO. It usually ends up badly because they never listen to me. They do things that I say don't do, and then they just end up very bad. So again, we show that Shahril's formula. What did we get just now, Shahril? Well, it's 472K. Okay lah, it's about there. Shahril, I think you calculated correctly. Incorrectly. Why did I calculate at 481K? We only got 482K, so we'll show this example. Okay, guys, sign up there, bit.ly crypto.123. Okay, guys, sign up now, and I will see you later. This will be there. Sign up now. It will start at 9:30 to 3 p.m. next week. A lot of perspective. You'll see a new perspective, because I am going to run this fully in Bahasa. Okay, this will be run fully in Bahasa. Sign up now, guys. I will see you later. See you later, guys. Bye. End.